So what is up guys? We're back for another video. Ngayon for this video, gagawin namin ang Speed Eating Ice Cream Challenge. Kasama ko ang tropa ko. Makikita niyo yung Instagram niya mamaya. Popost ko. Tapos, may suporta kaming tubig. Siyempre, alam nga naman walang tubig. Baka ano mangyari sa amin. Tapos, kung sino man ang manalo ng 50 pesos.
Nice.
Ayan, so start na natin. Let's go.
Ginagawa mo!
Are you ready?
3, 2, 1.
Ginagawa mo!
Lahat ng buhay ko daw! Yung lahat ng buhay ko!
Ako'y tinamaan, puso'y tinamaan. Sadyang ikaw lang ang tanging dahilan. Walang iniisip, walang nalalaman. It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
Stop!
Face to face, out in the heat. Panic up, stay warm. Let's stack the odds till we take to the street. Kill with the skill to survive. It's deep, eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight. Rising up to the challenge of our rival. And the last known survivor.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？大は匠でギゼブ。
Rising up, straight to the top. Had the guts, got the glory. Went the distance, now we're not gonna stop. Just a man and his will to survive. It's deep, eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight. Rising up to the challenge of our rival. And the last known survivor stalks his prey in the night. And his word to
Tasty, bubble, chocolate, frosting, so delicious,
Sweet.
divine, jam, honey.
of the tiger.
ginagawa mo?
Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it!
It's time to stop! It's time to stop!
Meron pa sa'yo.
Panalo ka na?
Oo, nanalo si Ian.
So yun, guys. Kita nyo naman. Madaya siya. Kaya, nanalo siya.
50 pesos.
Nanalo siya ng 50. So yun, guys. Maraming salamat po at see you in my next video. Peace!
Okay guys, bago matapos ang video, shoutout kay Nexus Gaming, shoutout kay Levin MLBB, shoutout kay Savage Devil, shoutout kay Zetner Gamer, shoutout kay Speed Gaming YouTube, shoutout kay Silent Official, shoutout kay Expect Vintage, shoutout kay Bogzu, shoutout kay Jervy Cresena, shoutout kay Nash Aurelio, shoutout kay Proless Official, shoutout kay Orlando Kuyanan, shoutout kay Save Zone 11, shoutout kay Ken Trapsi, shoutout kay Bennett Biado, shoutout kay Pure Cancer, at shoutout kay Haha Okay.